If you're like me, you're probably spending a lot of time online right now. And if you're like me, you're looking for ways to earn extra money. Guys, let me tell you about Gizmogo. Gizmogo is an online buyback service for used electronics, which means with practically zero effort, you can start earning extra money. Gizmogo buys back all types of electronics, from phones, laptops, cameras, even drones. You most likely have something just lying around collecting dust. They'll even buy them back if it's broken. And the best part is it's free. They offer free, unlimited shipping, so you never even have to leave your house. Just select the condition of your device, print out the shipping label, and schedule a pickup. And Gizmogo offers the fastest payment within 24 hours. The extra money can really add up, especially if you're like me and have tons of used electronics. So make use of these money-making hacks and go to Gizmogo.com today. Gizmogo.com, the best way to sell your used electronics while taking care of the environment.